Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I am Paola Ponce, a licensed nail stylist and certified Japanese gel nail instructor. And in today's video, we will be going over what exactly are Japanese gels, specifically 5 key features, and make sure to stick to the end for a bonus secret insider's note on gel polish. So let's get into it. Key feature number 1, Japanese gels are professional gel formulas for manicures that are often found in pots. Not exclusively, but my sources tell me that in Japan, the brush-on gel polish type bottles are for DIYers. So take note when choosing what products and services you are offering to your clients. A little more on gel polish a little later. Key feature number 2, Japanese gels are, as of this date, soak off only, which means they're soft gel, not hard gel. But not only this, the most advanced technology in Japanese gel nail products is that they are able to provide strong adhesion and easy removals when soaking off with acetone. However, as a technician who only e-files, these types of gels file like butter, and unlike hard gels, they actually allow you to differentiate gel from natural nail so that you can confidently file it down to the bone. Well, natural nail, really. Key feature number 3, Japanese gels are advanced gel nail products that can be used not only for one color application, but also for nail art, as they're highly pigmented. Japanese gel nail products use cosmetic grade pigments, not polish like many gel polishes, and therefore allow for single coat coverage and versatility to use in any of your painted or freehand nail art. That's right, without having to buy an extra set of gel art paints or gels. And if this is your favorite feature too, let me know in the comments section. Key feature number 4, Japanese gels offer a soak-off gel builder, and this characteristic is, in my opinion, revolutionary. Before, if you were wanting to remain specialized in the area of gel nails and your client wanted longer natural nails or extensions, you would have to resource to a hard gel, non-soakable product. But not anymore. Japanese gel nail companies, along with other companies like Biosculpture Gel, have developed soak-off builder gels for semi-hard builder products that have the strength of hard gel, but without the bulk. Yes, that means you can actually build extensions with soft gel. Watch me do this in one of my previous videos. Key feature number 5, Japanese gels are made in their native country of Japan. They go through strict inspections and oversight. They are typically also 5-free, if that's important to you. And unlike many other products in other states, they are sold in small batch, not mass production, further establishing them as the most professional gel nail products in the market. Bottom line, with unparalleled adhesion, strength, and high shine finishes, Japanese gels are extremely professional gel nail products that last on nails without shipping for 4+ weeks, when applied properly, of course. Now, if you're still here, I promise you a bonus freebie piece of information. And that is that along with brands such as Evo by Biosculpture and Luxio by Accents, which are not Japanese produced products, by the way, whenever you do see a polish type bottle from a Japanese gel nail company or these 2 other brands that I mentioned, do know that these are indeed true gels, not low quality hybrid formulas of polish and gel like many of the companies out there make that are called gel polish, right? So next week we will be going deeper into the Japanese gels versus gel polish debate. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon below to instantly be notified when that video is released. Have a merry rest of the week, and we'll see you on the next one.